I'm proud to formally and finally introduce the Hyperlow X8. This is a 4 to 8 motor Cinelifter designed for a single battery and 8 to 9 inch props. The first thing you'll notice about this frame is its construction. We're no longer dealing with just basic flat arms. The frame features sandwich vertical beams whose added dimension provide great strength to both the arms and the frame as a whole. The taper of the vertical beam allows for independence over both the motor distance at one end and build height at the other, meaning bottom motors don't have to sit so close to the ground, causing props to interfere with takeoffs and landings, and separate motor plates means they don't have to be removed along with the bottom plate when opening up to access inside. The strength this arm provides can't be understated. Even initial 3D printed tests revealed just how strong the arm construction alone is. When fully assembled, with the I-beam sandwiched inside the body, it easily passes the human payload test and can even withstand extra force when jumping. We also have TPU camera mounts for both 03 and 04 and any other camera that comes our way, with horizontal Immortal T built in. There's a full carbon skirt for a little extra protection. This still allows for direct USB access, so you don't have to wire up any extensions. You can blindly plug in for immediate Betaflight connection. The front skirt will also hinge open after removing a couple of screws. This will let you rebind your VTX easily if ever needed. Also, a small slot in the bottom plate will let you reach your RX bind button. For batteries, there are optional strap plates or simple slots in the bottom plate if you prefer. The strap plates just make it super simple to rethread a strap. No tweezers or tools required. You can do it one-handed. Back up to the top plate, at the rear we have mounting for XT30 and XT60 taps from a BEC. Both of these are included with the kit, along with the XT90 connector, which attaches below. I usually use the XT60 connector, as pre-made camera power cables are readily available online. Side braces double as mounting points for peripherals. Anywhere along them with the pre-installed press nuts, you can attach SMA connectors for antennas, GPS plate, and an adjustable crossbar mount is included, which switches from vertical to horizontal for transport and storage. For a quick look inside, there is direct 20x20 mounting for a VTX up front. There's 3 overlapping 30x30 positions for stack hardware, and at the rear, there's 20x20 M3 mounting for a BEC. Build height is 30mm, so there's plenty of room for a triple stack, and 8-in-1 ESCs like the T-Motor 8S Cine will fit also. Pre-installed M4 press nuts on top will directly take any cinema camera mount with the standard 50x61mm pattern. This includes any of the DAC mounts and the Hyperlow mount, which has a 0 to 45 degree angle range and weight of 84 grams. And finally, these 4 outside bolts have the naked black magic dimension of 90x124. The bolts could be reversed for you to fly your 4K or 6K cameras, as well as being able to use a separate camera mounting plate, which will allow you to quick swap cameras between drones. For more info, including recommended parts, PIDs, and specs, you can check out the product page at hyperlowframes.com. I also have a Hyperlow Roto Builds page that has current and past build logs up for more pics and parts. And there is a full assembly guide linked below for you to check out too. I'm happy to answer any questions anytime in comments below or any other socials. But for now, I'll sign off and leave you with some sample flight footage.